Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. We are at Alabama State University currently, and it is the connection day for high school seniors and any other prospective students that want to be here. So we're doing that, and I have my brother here with me who we've seen from previous vlogs, but we're just walking around right now. We just got out of a session of a talk through about the different not businesses, but schools and colleges that they offer and all that. I didn't record most of what they were saying because, you know, it's pretty generic information. And we walked around the Acadome, which is the gym. I'll insert clips and shots of that. But in the concourse of the Acadome, they have stations set up about admissions questions.
With candy.
Yeah, with candy. That's what he's excited about. But it's questions about admissions, the different colleges, all the requirements and things like that. Everything you need to know. Right now we're outside because my camera just malfunctioned. Like, everything froze on it, and it was very devastating. I'm standing in your shadow.
The people do not need to hear that.
They need to hear, because this camera, I can't let it mess up. But yes, so we're just standing out here. We're wandering around. Right now they're talking about admission requirements in the actual Acadome. That's cool, but I'm not interested in that. I'd rather walk around instead. So here we are outside. And yeah, so here we go. I think we're about to take our own impromptu tour of the campus. We've been here before, but we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A, which is like in the student center of the thing. They also have the cafeteria open. We might step in there just to take pictures and videos of it, but you know, here we are.
Individuals say that those who can't teach. Let me tell you why I get frustrated, because I used to take it personal as a teacher because I poured so much into the lives of my students. But then I flipped it. Those who can't teach. Those who can't lay down and accept apathy. Teach.
Oh, I'm so zoomed in. Okay, well this is gonna be the last of the vlog. Oh, let me stop moving. This is gonna be the last of the vlog. I was told to go to the admissions counter to check on my application. I applied through the Black Common app. If you don't know what that is, it's like all HBCUs or whatever. You can Google it. My mother is very adamant about me checking the progress of my thing, so I tried to do that, but the computers are down, and my mother's not satisfied about that. All right. Currently at the student center, about to go to Chick-fil-A, which is very, very crowded, which isn't very surprising. But I still have no update on my application, and whatever, I'll just pretend that's not happening. But yeah, we'll see what Chick-fil-A is doing. There's a lot of kids. I think the band is about to be here.
You know what Chick-fil-A do? Making food.
Yeah, we know they're making food, but is it good food? I gotcha. We made it outside of Chick-fil-A. I'm not sure if you can hear me because the music is going on right now. I have yet to go back and try and fix out the application issues because the Wi-Fi was down. I was going to go back and check, but I guess I'll get to that eventually. And after we finish eating, we're probably going to go to the football game. Yay. This has overall been very exhausting. I didn't really enjoy myself like the last time. And that's not at the fault of the university or anything. It's just been rough. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say. There's nothing really crazy happening. I showed you like a peer view of whatever's going on. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Ooh, what? Oh. Okay, bye. We are currently at the Alabama State football game. We took a little intermission, if you will. So we're about to go in. It's not really as crowded as it usually is, but whatever. But yeah, I'll film as much as I can in there. I don't know, I feel as though at this point the vlog's pretty much over. The Students' Day was fine. Never really got my issue resolved, but you know, that's neither here nor there. But yeah.